I'm going to build a full animated scene using AI characters today, and I'll show you exactly how to do it yourself with almost no friction. Just stick with me for a few minutes and you'll see the whole Fotor workflow unfold in real time.
Here's the plan. First, write your idea down in a few clear lines. Second, gather any reference images you want to use and get them ready. Third, set up your prompts inside Fotor for the actual animation or shots. Then you move into generation.
Before we get into that, let me give you a few tips on prompt writing because this is the part most people skip past.
To start, you can go directly to Fotor's AI image generator and enter a prompt to create a character sheet.
Alternatively, you can instruct the AI to combine the character's face, outfit, and various expressions into a single image. Using fewer reference images helps the model maintain greater consistency in the character's appearance.
Here are 2 characters I generated in a classic Pixar style. I've included the prompts in the description for your reference.
Many people lack professional filmmaking knowledge regarding aspects like camera movement and lighting, but don't worry, you can leave all that to AI.
Here I'm using Claude as an example. Simply tell it, I want to create an animated short film. Then follow the prompts to share your story or rough concept. With everything now in place, I move on to the AI video generator. I upload the character image and paste the prompt provided by the AI. This prompt encapsulates all the key elements, such as shot timing, camera movement, and visual atmosphere.
I chose not to upload a separate background image. By using the Cdance 2.0 model, I allow the AI more creative freedom to render the scene naturally.
Of course, if you require precise control over specific locations or objects, you have the option to upload additional images or videos as references.
My recommendation is to first generate a low-resolution, quick test shot so you don't waste credits. If a shot doesn't turn out well, you can adjust your prompts in time.
Also, generate several clips so you can select the best ones to edit together later. Let's take a look at the results. To be honest, I'm extremely satisfied.
The textural details and the motion are better than I expected. That's the full pipeline: idea, reference art, image to video, edit, and stitch it together. I'd love to hear what you'd animate with this. Drop it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.